Hello everyone. Today in this video we're going to take a look at how to invert a table or rather transpose a table as per Excel terminology. So I've got a small table with a list of country names and city names, right? So to transpose a table, by transpose we mean we'll be converting the rows of this table into columns and columns will be converted to rows, right? So I'll copy this table, come to the destination cell, right click, and there's an option called paste special. So once you click that, you'll get a pop-up. So down here, you have an option called transpose. It's a checkbox. Then you check that and click OK. So the table will be pasted, and you'll notice that the rows have been converted to columns and columns have been converted to rows. Right. One additional tip here. Let's say while transposing, you just want to transpose the values alone, and you don't want the format to be, pasted here. So what do? So you right click, go to paste special again, and this time select values, right, instead of all, and checkbox transpose and click OK. So only the values will be pasted. And similarly, if you just want the formatting, there's an option called format as well, right? Transpose, OK, yeah. Then you have the format alone without the values. So that's transpose function for you. Thanks for joining. I'll see you in the next video.